Good morning, you guys. All right, so we got this hibiscus plant. It's doing pretty good. Everything's doing really great. The grape is growing alongside there. This mint is really taking off. It's wild. We got all of these ones. I gotta do some separating and make sure these guys don't get in the way. Maybe add some sticks or something, I don't know. But everything is really just taking off. It's insane. Pretty crazy. Anyways, it's lemon time. So nice, so beautiful. Okay, these tomatoes are just growing rampant. I really got to get in there and tame them because they're taking over. You could see down there our peppers are just getting annihilated, or basil is somewhere in there, and the flowers. Oh, yeah, these guys are starting to flower. Look at this. Hold on. Ooh, hell yeah. I need to figure out how to get them to stay up against this fence because now they're getting so tall they're falling over. Alright, and then we come over here. Stupid bugs. Still need to find some pesticides. Cilantro is growing, basil, onions. Those are strawberries. They're not doing too well. Oh, this guy's got a new... That's a pepper. Pimento pepper. Nice. Squash is doing well. Standing up. I don't see any plants yet. Or any fruits. Alright, here's the... the winners. Okay, the watermelon is way over here. It's just giant right now. This huge thing. And then check that out. That guy is huge. And there's another one down in there. These things are massive. We got corn on stalk. Let's see what else we got. Oh, the morning glory vines really just picked up and poof, doing exactly what we want them to do, which is pretty cool. This one, started to die, but we're getting it to come back, and we're gonna move it to that side of the barn. So we'll have two luscious columns right there. So that'll be cool. The wisteria is crazy, just like new limbs every morning. Like it gets high and high. I've been like rerouting it to start wrapping around the base more. See, look at all these new guys. So hopefully we could get like a cool braid and wrap it down the tree. What else? Hibiscus are doing fine. And oh yeah, this guy was almost dead. We're bringing him back to life. This is the hydrangea, so that's pretty cool. Got some squash along the fence, right there. All of that squash. It's pretty wild. It's all so big. We put a bunch of wildflowers in here. This is really nice. Look at these. Let's see. Look at that. Lots of different guys. I gotta pick out the weeds because it looks ugly. This is one of our puppies' homes where she passed away. We got a blueberry right there, blueberry bush right there. This guy, I don't know if it needs more water or less water, what it needs. Maybe you guys can tell me, because when we got it, it had tons of blueberries. And then this is our elephant leaves. They're huge now. This is probably up to my chest. It's pretty wild whenever you stand it up. Nah, maybe right now it's like mid-body. It's just crazy. They're so big. All right, time to turn this one off. And then our loquat tree is doing pretty rad.